So today I will solve some questions in simple interest in this chapter because I have explained the formulas in this chapter. So here I will take some questions from the exercise 2, and the first question here I am going to take is here the question number 6 of exercise 2. Here Gautam took a loan of some money from a cooperative bank for opening a poultry farm at the rate of simple interest 12% per annum. So here the rate of simple interest is, I will write the question number 6. The rate of simple interest is 6% here per annum, and every month he has to repay 378 rupees as the interest. That is the interest. Interest is equal to 378 rupees. This is per month. That is, this is the amount, monthly amount. That is in 1 month. So here the time will be equal to 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year. Because we are given here the rate is 6% per annum, so the time will be equal to 1 by 12 year in this case. So we will find the simple interest, and suppose we have to find the amount of loan. Let amount, or you can say here this is the principal actually, that is how much money he has taken, that is the principal actually. Let principal equal to rupees x. So in this simple interest will be equal to P into R into T by 100. So principal is x and R is 6% and time is 6. This by 100. So this will be equal to x by 200. Oh, sorry, here it is actually this is not 6%, this is 12%. So this is 12% here. So this will be here 100. So this is x by 100. So simple is 100, and according to question, this interest is equal to 378 rupees. That is x by 100 is equal to 378. So x is equal to 378 and 00 rupees. So this is the principal Gautam had taken for the poultry farm. So this is the answer of this question. This is the required loan. So I hope you understood this question. The next one I am going to take is the question number 17. In this question, Rekha deposited 10,000 rupees of her savings in 2 separate banks at the different rates. That is 10,000 rupees, and this is the question number 17. Okay, so in this Rekha Didi deposited 10,000 rupees of her savings in 2 separate banks at the same time, and the rate of simple interest in one bank is 6% and in the other bank it is 7%. And after 2 years, she gets a total of 1,280 rupees as interest. Then we have to find out how much money she has deposited in the first bank and how much money she has deposited in the second bank. So first, suppose let she deposited rupees X in bank. That is, this is the total money. Rupees X is the total money she deposited in the bank. So, or suppose she deposited rupees X in one bank, or you can say in the first bank. In the first bank. So, she deposited 10,000 minus X rupees in the second bank, because the total money she deposited is 10,000 rupees. So some part is deposited in the first bank and some part in the second bank. So in the first bank, we suppose that X rupees is deposited, and in the second bank it will be 10,000 minus X. So the simple interest in 2 years is equal to, for the first bank it will be, so it will be here X into the simple interest for the first bank is 6%, and into X, here time is 2 years, so it will be 100, that is 12x by 100, and SI in 2 years for other bank is equal to 10,000 minus X into year 7 into, because it is year 7%, by this. So it will be 14,000 minus 14x by 100. Okay, so this is the simple interest in depositing the money in the second bank, and this is the simple interest in depositing the money in the first bank. So these are the total simple interest. Now add these two numbers, and this number plus this number will be equal to 1280. So therefore, according to question, this plus, that is 12x by 100 plus 14,000 minus 14x by 100 equal to 1280 rupees. Now after solving this equation, we will get the answer, that is the value of X. So it will be here 12x so it will be here minus 2x plus I think there is something wrong here. No, it is right here. This is correct. Minus 14 plus 12 is minus 2x, and this is 14 here, and this. So after solving this, we will get minus 2x. Here actually it is one more zero here. Now this will be equal to 0, 0, 0, and thus here this, then X equal to 6,000 rupees. So this is the answer. This is the, that is, this much money is deposited. This much money is deposited in the first bank, and then you have 10,000 minus 6,000 equal to 4,000. So this much money is deposited in the second bank. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So these are the two questions. I did this, and then you will solve the remaining questions. I will recommend you to solve all the questions at home. You will practice it. I am giving you the worksheet also, so you will go through the worksheet and then the solution, and then keep practicing at home. Thank you.